everyone, my name is Saklin Mullah and today is 1st of December and I am here to talk about the Java access specifiers. So in Java, the access specifiers, also known as the visibility specifiers, uh, regulate the access to the classes and the fields and methods in Java. So these specifiers determine uh, whether a field or method in a class can be used or invoked by any other method in another class or subclass. Access specifiers can be used to restrict access, and access specifiers are an integral part of an object-oriented programming. Because sometimes in programming language we need to hide the data to make it more secure. That's why we use these access specifiers. So the type of the access specifiers in Java are the four types of access specifiers that are the public, private, protected, and default. So let's look at this access specifier in little detail. So first one is an public specifier. So the public specifier achieves the highest level of accessibility. That means it can be accessible by all, and the classes, methods, and field declared as public can be accessed from any class in the Java program, whether these classes are in the same package or are in another packages. And the next one is an private specifier. So the private specifier achieves the lowest level of accessibility uh, because the private methods and fields can only be accessed within the same class to which the methods and fields belong. So the private methods and fields are not visible within the subclass, and they are not inherited by subclass. So the private access specifier is opposite to public access specifier, uh, because the public one can be accessed by anyone and the private one cannot be. So using the private specifier, we can achieve an encapsulation and hide data from the outside world. The next one is the protected specifier. So methods and fields declared as the protected can only be accessed by the subclass in other packages or any class within the package of the protected members. The protected access specifier cannot be applied to class and interfaces. The next one is a default one. So when you don't set access specifier for the element or method or a variable, it will follow the default accessibility level. So there is no default specific keyword. So the classes, variables, methods can be default accessed using the default specifier. We can access in the class or the methods or the fields which belong to the same package, but not from outside this package. That's all about the access specifiers in Java. Thank you.